Manifestation, that part of spirituality which teaches us to believe and have that self-confidence when it comes to our life choices and desires. Manifesting is not a bad thing, but the way it is interpreted in today's world through social media and all the platforms where people go to gain knowledge about the law of attraction and spirituality is just not what the whole law of attraction and mostly spirituality is about. Many people find attracting their desires hard. They believe that in order to attract any desire they have to force this thing called belief about spirituality into them. Remember that spirituality is about spiritual freedom, knowing who we are, and not forming a cult where everyone is forced to believe in one thing. Spirituality is free from all of those things, and it isn't hard to attract your desire. If you feel hard to attract any desire, you should try manifesting while falling asleep. And in today's video, we are going to discuss how to manifest during sleep. Hello, and welcome back to my new video. If you are new to my channel, hello. As I have already mentioned today's topic, let's get started. Before jumping right into the techniques, let's talk a little bit about why people are finding it hard to manifest the desires. I think this is really important topic to just talk about, as many people are far away from spirituality just because they don't find it appealing. So, there are many articles and blogs about how spirituality should be practiced, how the law of attraction should be practiced, and in those blogs and articles people mostly talk about believing in spirituality, believing in the universe. Well, the belief thing is definitely there, but you should not force yourself to believe in something that you don't want to believe. It should come from within. When these articles and blogs tell us to believe in universe, we take it as a task. We take it as something that has to be done. Well, it has to be done, but not forced. Believing is the first step, there is no doubt in it, but forcing to believe in something is not the first step. Maybe if you do not believe in the universe, or you do not believe in the law of attraction, it is because there is still some changes needed in you. As I said earlier, we are not creating a cult where everybody starts to believe in the universe and the law of attraction. It is your wish. If you truly want to harness the power and want to try out the law of attraction, the belief will come from within. You don't have to force it. I think this is the mistake that many people do, that is forcing, and they find it hard because they are forcing feelings and beliefs into themselves. So before starting with the technique, I will just advise you to not force anything. If it is coming freely to you, then it is fine. But if it is not, then you have to work on yourself. You have to see where you are spiritually stuck. Then the trust and faith will follow on its own. So, there are two ways in which you can practice the manifestation during falling asleep. You can practice either one of them or both of them. It's all up to you. The first way is to visualize while you are drifting off to sleep. You know the time when you were going to sleep, and you just remember all the happenings that happened throughout the day. And you remember where you went wrong throughout the day. Or you remember how you bad-mouthed a person. Or you remember where you were so embarrassed by somebody else. Well, if you keep those things in mind while you are falling asleep, then those things will be taken in by your subconscious mind, because our subconscious mind is more accepting of things when you are falling asleep or when you're trying to fall asleep. Out of all the tiredness that you have felt, you are finally feeling relaxed, and in that relaxed state your subconscious mind will take whatever you are giving to your subconscious mind. So, when you are going to fall asleep, do not contemplate about all the things that happened throughout the day. Start visualizing the things that you want in your life. It can be anything. It can be a dream job of yours. It can be abundance. It can be prosperity. It can be a specific person that you are manifesting. It can be anything that you desire. Just visualize those things and be completely immersed in the feeling of those visualization. Your subconscious will take it, and throughout the sleep of about 6 to 8 hours your subconscious will play with those visualizations again and again and again. And that is how you can make a fixed destination for your subconscious mind to reach. This is also one of the ways to train your subconscious mind to believe that your desire is already yours, or to set a destination for your subconscious mind. The second way is to play affirmation when you are drifting off to sleep. Now, while you are doing this, you have to be aware that you are the only one listening to these affirmations, unless the affirmation you are hearing is a general affirmation that everybody in the room wants. Because these affirmations you are choosing are directed towards you, you are using these affirmations to make a self-development for yourself. So make sure that you are the only one who is hearing these affirmations. Maybe the one who is beside you or who sleeps with you. Maybe your girlfriend or your boyfriend or your child or your partner. Whoever they are might not be ready to see those transformations, or those kind of development is not the thing that they are seeking right now. When you play an affirmation in the background, it works for human hearing those affirmations. So while you are trying to make a shift in your life, make sure that you use this affirmation specifically for yourself. And this is very important to remember. So, when you are listening to the affirmations, you can use the I am affirmations. You can record it in your phone and play it on loop, or you can use the affirmations that is present in the YouTube itself. This technique is not only used while you are falling asleep, but it can also be used while you are awake. If you want to use this technique throughout the day while you are doing some other tasks, then it is also fine. You can even use subliminal to hear these affirmations. When you are listening to these affirmations on loop, your subconscious mind is listening to those affirmations and taking notes from those affirmations. When your subconscious mind is listening to it again and again and again throughout the night, similarly like visualizing certain thing again and again and again throughout the night, the positive things will just start to develop in your subconscious mind. It becomes a task for subconscious mind to really seek out for those things while your conscious mind is awake. So these two methods are really very effective if you want to manifest while you are trying to fall asleep. You can use either of these. Mostly people will choose visualization because visualizing and getting into that feeling is much more relaxing than keeping the voice note on loop all night. But you can use whichever you feel is comfortable for you. Now, I have had a question on how to solve problems using the concept of spirituality, like using manifestation or the law of attraction. I am assuming that the people who ask these questions are asking about solving difficult situation which they have in their life, or even a math problem can be solved with this trick, no problem. So the trick is to order the subconscious mind to solve the problem. Maybe I have said this in one of my previous videos, that you have to ask your subconscious mind about something while you are going to fall asleep, and by the next day you will get the answer to those questions. You can do the same thing if you are trying to find out a solution to some problems, maybe your family problems or any other problem that you have, and you want answer for those problems. Then you can use this trick on ordering your subconscious mind to give you the answer to the question that you are asking. This is a very effective way of getting answer from your subconscious mind. And note that your subconscious mind or your gut knows the best for you. That is all for today. But if you are interested in knowing more about spirituality and the law of attraction, and how to attract abundance and prosperity into your life, then there are many videos in my channel where I have discussed different techniques to not only attract abundance and prosperity, but many other desires into your life. So do remember to check them out. By saying this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have come this far, I thank you for listening to me. If you liked this video, press that like button down below and share it with your friends and family. It would mean a lot to me if you even subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Thank you.